This video will show you how to use 2 or multiple webcams at the same time on one computer. For a multi-camera setup, you can combine your computer's built-in webcam with a USB webcam, or even you can use your smartphone as a webcam. So, connect each of your webcams to your computer, and you are ready to go. We'll use the SplitCam application that allows us to create multiple webcam inputs for free. First of all, download and install SplitCam. Once installed, you need to open SplitCam and begin adding your webcam inputs. As you can see, SplitCam has already added my primary webcam. To add the second webcam, click the plus icon beside Media Layers and add the webcam you want to stream from. You can also select the resolution for the webcam. Furthermore, you can also add an IP camera to your screen. Thus you can add other webcams that you want to use. From this preview window, you can adjust the layout of the webcams, and resize each input to the size you want. After you add your webcams to SplitCam, open your video conferencing app. Head to Settings. Video. Now, use this drop-down to select SplitCam video driver as your camera input. So guys, this is how you can create multiple webcam views in Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and other video calling applications.